Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Main.
Good evening, Mr. Main.
Hello, everyone.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, Jennifer. You just finished your class, your Mandarin class,
Evening,
and
Miss.
the entity girls are not around a while ago.
Good evening, Miss.
Hi, Katrina. Kids, are the entity girls not around a while ago in your class? Um, is my is my voice clear, everyone? Hello, can you hear me? Arga, hello.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you hear me, Arga?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Um, all of you are not opening your camera, or is it my connection that is very slow? On my screen, I can only see Inda and Deborah opening their camera. Okay. Okay. Hi there, Ananda. Okay. Thank you, Jennifer. Also, we only have Ananda, Jennifer, Inda, and Deborah, Arga, Katrina, and Tristan. Only 7 of you today. Oh, what happened to other kids? Okay, so I hope they will be able to join us later on. Okay, so thank you for being with me today. We will be continuing our discussion on nouns. Last meeting, it's a refresher or a review on what nouns are, as well as common and proper nouns. Do you remember about common and proper nouns? What do we mean by proper nouns? Or what
Uh,
are proper nouns?
Proper noun is specific noun.
Yes, and common nouns are
General names.
very good. So when we talk about proper also, it should start with the names should start in capital letters because these are specific nouns or specific names. And aside from that one, they are there is a given name for that specific for that specific category. On the other hand, when we say common nouns, they are general. Okay, we don't know what uh, what type of it, what's the gender. It's general. So allow me to start sharing my screen. Wait for a while. Okay. How about that? Can you see my screen now? Okay. Do you have this one? Do you have this on my screen? The activity that we had last time? Arga, can you see something on my screen?
Yes, Miss.
No?
Yes.
Ah, okay, it's a yes. So this was our activity last time, identifying the common and the proper nouns. So we will not be going back to it again. Let's move forward and let's continue on singular and plural nouns. So many times we have discussed about this, but let me teach you again about singular and plural nouns. Arga, would you like to say something about singular and plural nouns?
Singular is only one and plural is more than one.
Okay, that's a very good answer. Okay, so that is a very good answer. And also, who would like to talk about the rules in making nouns into plural? What are the different rules in making nouns plural? Maybe just a short review of the different rules. Mostly, mostly to make nouns plural, we are going to add what letter?
S or
S.
ES.
Okay, very good, Inda and Arga. Because for regular nouns, we add S or ES to make it plural. But how about those irregular nouns? What what have you learned about irregular nouns? We are going to change the spelling, right? Who can give me one example of a noun or a name from singular to plural, changing its spelling? Aside from adding S and ES, give me an irregular noun wherein you're going to change its spelling. Anyone?
Me.
Come, come, Enda?
Example is man.
Okay, then what will happen?
If in singular, man, it use A, but in plural, it use E.
Okay, so that is a good example. Changing A to letter E, man, men. So do with woman, women. How about mouse? What will happen to mouse in the plural form? Mouse. Who among here knew what's the plural form of mouse?
Mice.
Okay, mouse, M-O. You have M-O-U-S-E. That's singular. And the plural form is?
Mice.
Okay, you have a mice. How about the singular word is child? What will be its plural form?
Children.
Very good, Arga. We have there children. Okay, so aside from regular nouns, we have this rule. If the certain word ends in letter F, what are we going to do? It ends with letter F. What are we going to do? Example, leaf. Yes, please. Jennifer, Tristan, what are we going to do to letter F? Yes?
Hello, Mr. Main.
Hi, Mark. Wow, you're here. That's good. Everyone, leaf ends with letter F to make it plural. Change letter F to letter.
Yes.
Okay, change F to V as in violin, V. Then you add ES. So that will be lives. Live, then you have lives. I'll give another example. You have shelf. Ananda, would you like to answer that one? We have shelf. How do we change this in plural?
ES.
Ananda.
Chef, there is chef first.
Okay, we change. Okay, you have their F, right? You have their letter F. Change that one to V. Then you add ES. Ananda, say shelves. Shelves.
Chef.
Okay, okay, so not shelves, okay? It is shelves. Okay, there you go. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay. And also, if you can still remember, we have this rule. If a certain word or noun ends in Y, what are we going to do with that one?
There is.
Yeah, berries. What is this, right, Arga?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so what did we do from berry? It is?
IES.
Okay, we change Y to I, then we add IES. We change Y to I, then add ES to make it right. Okay. And also, okay, in the chat box, Jennifer gave an example here. We have, I'll be writing it down. We have dish. Okay, dish. It ends with SH, right? Make it plural. We say dishes. Okay, that's very good. Okay. So I hope everything is makes sense now. Let's have this very simple activity. We are going to identify if it's singular or plural. Okay. Here we are going to identify if it's singular or plural. So should we start with number one? And I would like to talk to number one and number two. Please open your um, microphone. Greece. Hi, Greece. Greece. Okay. If not Greece, Katrina.
Yes, Miss.
Papakan.
Okay, number one, please.
Papakan.
Um,
Dia makan.
Plural.
Okay, please read. What's number one?
Puppies.
Mau makan.
Okay, it is.
Plural, Miss.
Okay, how about number two? Still you, Katrina.
Tooth.
Yes. Tooth. That is.
Singular, Miss.
Okay, we have tooth, singular. What's the plural form of tooth?
Teeth, Miss.
Okay, the plural form of tooth is, we have, I'll be writing it here, it's teeth. Okay, thank you. Number three, Deborah. Number three,
Yes, teacher.
oxen. What's that?
Oxen. Plural.
Very good. Next, number 4, Deborah.
Maths.
Yes.
Singular.
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome, teacher.
Jennifer, please. Number 5.
Yes, teacher. Number 5, singular.
How do you read number 5?
Scarf.
Okay, that's singular. Number 6.
Plural.
Okay, how do you please read number 6, Jennifer?
Geese.
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 Okay. Do you know what geese are? Geese are water birds. You know that animal that has a long neck. Okay, I hope let's try to search it in Google so that you'll be able to hear geese. Oh, no. Look here. Can you see that on my screen? So goose, Goose, that's singular, that's only one bird. And if we say geese, Geese, that's plural. So these are geese. Okay? So these are geese. So Jennifer is right. Geese, it is plural. Okay, thank you. Greece, okay, thank you. Greece, number 7.
Yes, miss.
Number 7, please.
Wait, miss. Read the question, miss.
Yes, number 7. How
Boxes.
do you read? Oh yeah, boxes. The answer is
Boxes. The answer is wait.
boxes is
Boxes is
singular, plural.
Plural.
Okay, boxes is plural. Number 8.
A
Number 8.
feet.
Yes.
Plural.
Okay, feet is also plural. What's the singular form of feet? What's the singular form of feet? Its singular form is foot. Okay? Foot. Foot. It's plural, feet. Thank you, Grace.
You're welcome, miss.
Ananda, number 9 and 10, please. Ananda.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Yes, number 9.
Singular.
Okay, how do you read this one? Please read.
Woman.
Very good. Woman, it's singular. How about number 10?
Plural.
How do you read number 10?
Calf.
Okay, come again. Calves.
Calves.
Yes, because calves, plural, its singular form is, we have calf, calf. Okay, calf. In plural, that is calves. Okay, good. Thank you, Ananda.
Welcome, miss.
Okay, but before that one, before moving to another activity, Ananda, Ananda? Okay. Ananda, I want you to read everything. Example, you say puppies, plural, tooth, singular. Can you do that one?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go Ananda.
Puppies is plural. Tooth is singular. Oxen is plural. What? Is singular. Scarf is singular. Geese is plural. Boxes is plural. Feet is plural. Woman is singular. Calf is plural.
Very, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ananda.
You're welcome.
So, thank you. So, we're done with worksheet number 1. Let's move to another activity. And this time, we are going to spot irregulars in the sentence. So, some nouns do not follow regular rules, just like what I have said a while ago. So, they change their spelling completely or they stay exactly the same. Now, you are going to identify the correct plural form in the parentheses to complete the sentence. Again, you choose the correct plural form to make the sentences correct. Okay, everyone, look at my screen. We have 6 sentences here, maybe for 5 seconds because I'll be start calling your names. Okay. I hope everyone. Wow, Chelene is already here. Can I have number 1? Can I have Jennifer?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Three
Jennifer.
children or children were playing tag on the school grounds. The answer is children.
Yes, this is right. We have children. Okay, next, number 2. Inda.
Yes, teacher. The farmer took care of a large flock of sheep without S.
Very good. Um, so this is right. Took care of a large flock of sheep. So you know what? A sheep is the word sheep also is an irregular one, or an irregular noun because the plural, I mean the singular is sheep. If it's plural, it stays the same. Mm. It stays the same whether we are talking about 1 or 100 animals. Okay, the plural of sheep is still sheep. Okay, it doesn't have a plural form. Okay, that's good. And the next. Okay, let's move number 3. Can I have Arga again, number 3?
Yes, Miss. I need to brush my tooth or teeth before going to bed. The answer is teeth.
Yeah, okay, this is correct. Okay, teeth, that's correct. I need to brush my teeth, plural. Number 4. Number 4, Mark. Mark, please.
Yes, Miss Germain. Number 4. Several mice or mouses scurried around the old barn floor.
Oh, yes.
I choose mice. So several mice scurried across the old barn floor.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Number 5 now. Number 5 is for Deborah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, number 5.
Both mm,
Okay, both mans, please read.
work together to lift the heavy box.
Oh, yes. What could be our answer?
Man.
Okay.
Man.
Come again. Come again. Our answer is
Man.
okay. So both men work together. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Number 6, Tristan.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 6, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
That's good. That's good to hear. Number 6, please.
Okay. We saw a pot of dolphins swimming near the shore.
Yes. What is our answer for number 6?
Um, Dolphins with no E.
Oh yeah, that's right. Dolphins without E. That's good. Thank you. That's right, Tristan. Okay, so we are done. So number 1, we have children. That's the correct plural form. Sheep, again, it doesn't have it has 0 plural, so meaning it doesn't have a plural form. Teeth, that's good. Mice, men, and dolphins. Let's have a reading activity. Can I have Katrina to read number 1 and now 2 and 3? Katrina, 1, 2, and 3.
3 children were playing tag on the school grounds. The farmer took, took care of a large flock of sheep. I need to brush my teeth before going back bed. Several
Thank
mice
you. Yeah, continue. Okay, just continue, Katrina.
several mice secured across the old barn floor. Both men worked together to lift the heavy box. We saw a pot of dolphins swimming near the shore.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you so much, Katrina. Okay, let's move now to another activity because I have another activity for you all. So this time, we are going to fix the sentence errors. Okay. We're going to fix the sentence errors. Okay, Mark, please read the direction, Mark.
Okay, Mr. Main. Direction. Read each sentence below. Find the underlying noun that is used incorrectly. Rewrite the noun correctly in the space provided.
Okay. So first, you identify the noun that is written incorrectly. Then you're going to rewrite it, or we're going to write the correct form. Would you like to do number 1, Mark?
Yes, Mr. Main.
Yes.
The chef. Okay, number 1. The chef used sharp knives to cut the fresh vegetables. Ooh! Oh, I found it. Knives. It should be written as KNIFES.
Okay, very good. So the error in the sentence is knives. So I highlighted it. I use color red because it's an error. Then the correct form is okay, mark
Knife.
right. It should be knives. Very good. Okay, let's move to number 2. Number 2. Oh, I'll be showing you number 2 until number 5 so that you have an idea what will be the answers for the following numbers. For the next numbers. Arga, ready for number 2, Arga?
Yes, Miss. The beautiful butterfly flew over the garden flowers. The incorrect word is butterflies.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is right. Butterflies, this is wrong in here. What's the correct form?
Butterflies. Y is changed to IES.
Okay, butter. Okay, fly. So instead of writing S, because that is not right, we change Y to I, then we add butterflies. Okay, so we have now the correct form of butterflies. Okay, this is right now. Okay, thank you, Arga. Okay, I hope
You're welcome, Miss.
Tristan is ready. Okay, I hope Tristan is ready for number 3. Tristan.
Yes, teacher. Okay. All the classes gathered in the gym for the special assembly.
Yes. So all the classes gathered in the gym for the special assembly. What is the error, Tristan?
Classes.
Yeah. So clearly, this is the error in the sentence, and let's correct it.
It's classy.
Okay. What are we going to do? The base word is class, right? What are we going to do to make it plural? We have class. We add.
At ES.
Okay, that's right. We simply add es to make it correct. So all the classes. Again, plural, singular class. Plural, we add es to make it correct. Okay, good. Thank you, Tristan. I would like to hear from Ananda. Would you like to read number 4?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number 4 for you.
We need to buy 2 loaves of bread from the bakery.
Okay, yes.
Loaves. Loaves.
Okay, so loaves here, that is the error. Okay, and is this the correct form now, Ananda?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so this is now the correct form. So what did we do? Change F to V, then we add ES. We have loaves. Okay, very good. Doing good, Ananda. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Yeah, very good. Let's have now number 5. Celine, would you like to read? Maybe Grace also would like to answer. Jennifer, have you answered already?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you wanna read number 5?
Okay, teacher. The heavy storm blew down many green leaves from the trees. Leaves. The correct is Leaves.
Okay, so we have that one. Okay, F change to V, then we add ES to make it correct. Okay, is this the right word now, Jennifer?
L
Okay, so this is
Leaves.
very, very good. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, so a very easy activity for everyone. So again, before we move to the next one, let's have a reading activity. Okay, but this time, although it just sounds the same, you need to use the correct plural form. Arga, please read number 1 and 2 and 3.
Okay, Miss. The chef used sharp knives to cut the fresh vegetables. The
Vegetable.
beautiful
Arga,
butterflies,
excuse me, vegetable.
vegetables.
Good.
The beautiful butterflies flew over the garden flowers. All the classes gathered in the gym for the special assembly.
Okay, thank you. Let's continue. 4 and 5. Greece, number 4. Greece, number 4. Just read. Greece. Okay. Greece is not opening his microphone. I guess I need to move to Deborah to read 4 and number 5. Deborah.
We need to buy 2 loaves of bread from the bakery. Answer.
Okay, next.
The heavy storm blew down many green leaves from the trees. Leaves.
Okay. How do you read that one? You say leaves. Okay, the correct way of reading this one is leaves. Okay, thank you, Deborah. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me check what's the next activity for everyone. Okay, I think this is a writing activity. Okay, this a writing activity. If I guess we cannot finish everything, but let's have this. Okay. So I want you all to get a paper, just like what we used to do. Get a piece of paper or a notebook with you, something that you can write. Then you're going to copy this paragraph. Then what you're going to do, please encircle. Okay, please encircle the nouns that are errors, or I mean the nouns that are not written correctly. Okay. Please get a pen, a paper, or a notebook with you. Then start writing this activity. A writing activity for everyone. Just this one. Okay, just this. Just this first paragraph. Then encircle all the nouns that are not written correctly. Okay, let me identify how many. I think we have 4 for the first paragraph. Okay, so you have 10 minutes left to do that one. Okay, then just like the usual thing that we used to do, you are going to send that one to me and my WhatsApp number. Okay, everyone, there are only 4 errors in that paragraph. Okay, only 4 errors. If you are done, you can simply send your work in my WhatsApp number. Tristan,
Yes, teacher.
wait, Ananda, you're not writing Ananda?
Yes, Miss.
I want you to write I want you to write this paragraph, okay? Because we are having an activity. Then you're going to encircle the errors. 4 errors.
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Okay. Tristan, I want you to read that one, Tristan. I want you to read that.
Okay, teacher. Last weekend, our scouting troop went on a camping trip in the forest. We set up 3 tents near a large stream. Sir Ernesto showed us how to gather dry branches and leaves to start a campfire. While we were cooking, 2 deer appeared from behind the bush. We watched them quietly so we wouldn't scare them away.
Okay. Tristan, were you able to find the errors while you were reading the paragraph? Were you able to locate some errors? But you don't have to say to me what are the errors, okay?
Uh, Maybe.
Okay. Say okay. Just maybe. You only have 4 errors in that one. Okay. Let's have okay. I would also like Jennifer to read the paragraph while others are writing.
Okay, teacher. Last weekend, our scouting troop went on a camping trip in the forest. We set up 3 tents near a large stream. Sir Ernesto showed us how to gather dry branches and leaves to start a campfire. While we were cooking, 2 deer appeared from behind the bush. We watched them quietly so we won't scare them away.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Jennifer. Are you done writing, Jennifer? Not yet.
What, teacher?
Are you done writing? I mean, have you finished writing everything? Um, Arga, can you please show show me your notebooks so that I can see that you're writing? You please do it like this, okay? You know what? You can see your names in here. Here we have Tristan. Okay. I want you to show your notebooks or your papers on my screen. Please. So that okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Ananda. How about others? It's only Ananda showing her notebook. I hope the other kids are also writing, okay? So if you are done answering, I want you to send your work in my WhatsApp number. Okay? So the teacher will be able to check your work. Okay. Wow. Wow, very good. I already have here Inda's answer. Okay, so you have here Inda's answer. Good evening, teacher. This is Inda's work. Thank you. Okay, so I already have Inda's answer with me. I will be
Miss,
waiting for other responses. Yes. Okay, yeah, very good. That's good, Arga. I want you to take a photo of it, Arga. Send it in my number.
okay, Miss. Wait.
Okay. Okay, so we still have 7 minutes left in class. Even though if you are not yet done, I will be waiting for your answers for the whole night. Mark, are you almost done, Mark?
Not done yet.
Not, but have you finished writing?
Nope. That pen just run out.
You need to get another one.
Okay. There, I got another one. Time to write.
Okay, because we're running out of time and I want you to finish that one. Again, only 4 errors in that paragraph.
Miss, I send message to.
Okay. Okay. I received yours, Arga. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Jermaine.
Okay, but the thing is, you did not write, Arga. You did not write the paragraph. You only identified the errors. But it's okay. It's okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay. I only have Arga and Inda's answer. I'll be waiting for the others. Mark, Jennifer, Tristan, Ananda, Shalene, Deborah, Grace, Katrina. Ananda, do you have my number? Do you have?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, okay. So that is, so we have last weekend, our scouting troop. went on a camping trip in the forest. We set up 3 tents near a large stream. Sir Ernesto showed us how to gather dry branches and leaves to start a campfire. While we were cooking, 2 deer appeared from behind the bushes. We watched them quietly so we wouldn't scare them away. Okay, so your activity is to identify. Okay. Again, your activity is to identify only 4 nouns that are written incorrectly in that paragraph. So please find time to send it in my WhatsApp number. Let me check. Okay. So very good. I have now Katrina's answer. Wow. I also have here Deborah. Very good. Let me see first. Okay. Okay, thank you. This one, okay. This is Katrina. Okay. Dr. I please take a photo of my screen so that if you are not yet done copying, you still have the time to copy it. Okay. Please do it. I would like to stop sharing my screen now, okay? Because it's almost time. Okay, and then I'll be taking a photo because Dr. Hari is asking for your attendance. Okay, Tristan. Where's Tristan there? You're halfway mark. What happened? Everybody, 1, 2, and 3, and smile. Okay, here's us today. I'll be sending this one to Dr. Hari. Okay. So, please find time in answering, okay? Teacher will be waiting for your responses. Okay, and then please expect for more activities, especially writing activities for our next session. Grace. Oh, you're doing that one again, Grace. You're making faces again. You're not supposed to do that one. Grace, I was also calling your name a while ago. You need to participate, okay? Please, I'll be waiting for your answer, Grace. Okay? Okay. Okay, thank you everybody for being with me. I'll be seeing you again next meeting. Okay, thank you and have a blessed evening. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Goodbye, Ming.
Thank
Thank
you,
Miss. Bye-bye.
you,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Katrina.
Miss.
Thank you, Charlene.
Thank
Jennifer,
you,
thank you.
Miss.
Teacher.
Jennifer, I'll
Thank
wait
you,
for your
Miss.
answer,
Thank
okay?
you.
Teacher.
Okay. Mark, I'll wait for your answer, okay? Okay, Mark.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.